listing today a 2012 VW T5 transporter. It's the short wheelbase 2 litre TDI 140Bhp 4MOTION. In night blue. I'll just walk around the body first. Managed to keep it dry despite the last few days being peeing down every 5 minutes, so if there is any marks on the body, it's just from where I've gone over it with the old chamois leather. It's just had a full MOT yesterday, the 12th or 11th actually. No issues, mechanically excellent. Gearbox, all the 4-wheel drive system spot on. And it's just been serviced with past service history, the books, 2 keys, good clear screen. Nice clear dashboard, seats in excellent condition. Tiny sort of bolster scuffing the plastic, if nothing else. It's, yeah, hardly visible. That's about it. And I've done a new build day van conversion on this van. It's a fixed passenger side window, an opening driver's side window, nice smooth action on that. It's fully insulated and carpeted over the ply lined and carpeted basically. The original roof panels back on, the original lights. Just show the side door. The side door there as well, all up to the edges. The bulkhead out. And it's carpeted over the seatbelt sort of post areas there as well. Nice edges to all of the floor, new 12mm floor, vinyl plank grey on top. And to this van I fitted a diesel heater under the driver's seat, and under the passenger seat you've split charge, basically power cable coming in from the main battery to a split charge relay, keeps the leisure battery charged, all fused, all correct. To a remote diesel heater that's fitted under the driver's seat, and it's 8 kilowatt. You can operate it from the main unit there, high low temperatures, and there's a remote control with it as well. It's the remote control there, which is perfect for this time of year. I brought the van home last night, and 5 minutes before I went out, put the diesel heater on, and you get into the van sort of 22-23 degrees. Absolutely perfect. See diesel heater running there off the main control panel, on off and up and down different settings. Come right down low. Whatever setting you're on, it's more sort of the speed the air comes out, not the heat. But that's, yeah, very hot at the moment. And that's within normally 30 seconds to a minute. You've got the full heat coming out. That's through the floor. There's full videos of this instalment of the diesel heater. It's in the floor there. It takes the feed off the leisure battery there, and the exhaust for the diesel heater comes down and follows underneath the van, the main exhaust alloy cowling to keep away from all of the plastics, and the exit is just in front of the rear wheel, about a foot in. I'm building them like this at the moment. Of another one in a few days to list, and just leaves a blank canvas basically. You can put a combi seats here. You could put units in, rock and roll bed, use it as it is. Motorbikes, bikes, jet ski, anything. Fishing, dogs. Let's go around to the driver's side. Yep, seat's all good. It's a captain seat actually, this one. The arms are adjustable. Nice clean cab. It's the 6-speed. I've ordered a new top here. They fade, so I ordered a new one of them. The post office is a bit late, so it will be put on. Yeah, there's a couple of advisories on the MOT if you look online. 2 rear shock covers. I'm putting 2 shock absorbers on new, and it'll be fully serviced. Oil filters, actually that's been done. And what else was there? Exhaust cover, that's been done. It was loose and a little dent in the sill at the back. But there, pretty much every T5 I pick up is the same. People jack them up in the wrong places. Okay, let's turn her on. Starts first turn of the key. You've got,
and we still have
noise machine and hands-free phone set there, which will do stuff in a minute. There you go. Connect phone, music, whatever. You can see the mileage 113. No lights on the dash. I haven't got the seat belt on and the handbrakes on for those two. Yeah, all good in the cab. There's 2 keys of the vehicle. It's a South Hereford vehicle, Volkswagen, and I can offer a 6 months warranty-wise warranty that can be used at any VAT registered garage, and also offer free delivery. Yeah, that's a good, nice T5. Added bonus of the 4MOTION. Not been anywhere off-roading it myself, but there's quite a few videos online, YouTube, and it's a capable system. I think it's sort of two-wheel drive at the front, and then kicks in if any wheel loses traction. So then you get the 4-wheel drive, obviously. Tow bar there. I normally leave those on. Okay, thanks for watching. Next vehicle will be a silver T5 09 I've got. That should be in a couple of days listed. And the Mercedes 6-berth motorhome there. So I think that is just about it for this van. It's HPI clear, there's no claims on its insurance, etc. 113,000 miles. Yeah, the bodywork's excellent. There's a few little tiny little bits, touched in a few stone chips. Tiny little, is there any dings? Well, yeah, one tiny little ding somewhere. Other than that, excellent. Right, now I think I've covered it all.